Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMP Barim ka Manipur, Lorho Pforze, hak khandrot nai lor arajar posan. Pynïasoh iladi, Second National People's Party, haga jingalang long ha office terekam juga NBP hanang basilong. Yo Pforze lepdiang sngobha the National President ke NPP Conrad ke sangma rengkar ke jing sakilang jong ki MLA bat ki MDC ke NPP bat ki nontre jong ka parti. Hakani keski u Conrad sangma ola plipat baru ya udur mo jonong seng ke NPP ulir porno agitok sangma.
And it was his initiative, and today we are finally completing it. So in fact I would like to request our state president if he should come and hold this and pull this together. Maybe we will pull this both together from the side.
As a team, when we worked in the forum, I realized that our voices are being drowned there too, because there is no platform whereby we, those of us who speak for the region, each for our own interest, each for our own state, we were unable to coordinate and we were not able to make any impact in that forum too. And so, while working there in the Lok Sabha, I had thought of the relevance of having this small regional parties. That relevance was there, and that we felt the drawbacks that we have suffered during those periods. However, in the year 2024, when I was finally declined the privilege of being given the party ticket again, I thought, yes, I think the fact that I've spoken out that it is important for us to have a larger regional setup, this was not taken kindly maybe by some people, and then I was not given. However, I say that in politics, it's such a dynamic system where someone else, newer one comes, and I think it all happens in politics, and so it is not for us to grudge over or to regret or to do, to feel bad. It happens, but whatever it is, as a party, we must continue to live on. We must continue to strive for the sake of our people. I truly want to say that I really enjoyed being in that party, the Naga People's Front, because it was absolutely by my own community. But my being there was so restrictive. It was so exclusive for my own community that, when I tried to speak for somebody else, deep inside, there is an unease with what my own people will think. Though I was there as a member of parliament in the Lok Sabha, I tried to do my best, but I cannot just continue on speaking only from our own community. We had our own issues, we had our own agendas that we want to push through, but we had our difficulties as well. The challenges were great. And so here, having felt what I'd felt during the past 5 years, and my short period of working together with the Northeast MP Forum opened up a new avenue. What if we had more than just 2 or 3 MPs, if we had more people coming together to be able to voice the aspirations or the visions of our region together? Won't it be better? And I think that is the reason why when our Honorable National President invited me to come and be part of this great group, I felt very, very proud, because I thought that deep inside my yearnings, the desires that I did have deep inside me were being heard, and I knew that it was God who did put this even in his mind. When he asked me, why don't you come and share with us? We'd be very happy to work with you. And I should say, I openly said, did I say yes? I don't. I'm here today being invited, and I'm so glad for the openness of this party. The party, the National People's Party, I hope it will one day become a party for everyone, particularly in the Northeast, and every indigenous people, every tribal groups, or maybe even in our religious setups also. We need to honor God, and we need to give God the glory for the...
This is personally a very happy moment for me. Shri Lorho Pforze is not just a political leader, but I should say he's a very close friend. We have been associated for quite some time, and I've seen him in Parliament. I've seen him in the politics of Manipur, especially in outer Manipur areas. And I've really, been a person who's very fond of him, I should say. And I'm sure when you heard him speak, I'm sure you also felt the same thing, that he spoke from the heart. He's very, very genuine and very, very transparent person. And I think the biggest quality that Mr. Lorho has, is that he is a figure, especially in a state like Manipur, which has got even more complicated, communities and different, you can say, situations that are there compared to any other state in the Northeast. He is a person who is widely acceptable by all communities in all across the state of Manipur. And that, I think, is his biggest quality. And there's a reason why he is acceptable, is because he is somebody who is, as I mentioned, very, very transparent, a person who is very genuine in what he does. And people have a lot of trust and a lot of faith in him. I'm sure that in the elections, if he had been given the ticket, I'm sure he would have won. But the NPF at that point in time decided, in their wisdom, to not give ticket to him, and they gave it to somebody else. But that's the past, and here we are at the receiving end in one way, that we are getting the outcome of the decision that had been taken earlier. And as I said, I have respect for the party in which Dr. Lorho was before, and now he is with us. NPF leaders also are very close to me. And we have communicated also with everybody that Dr. Lorho wishes to join us. And as I said, this is a big political impact in the state of Manipur, which we will see, because 2027 is the elections there in Manipur, and our team in Manipur is preparing very, very hard, realizing the overall opportunities and the kind of vacuum that is there in the state of Manipur right now as we speak. The contributions of every individual will matter, And I'm sure that Mr. Lorho will have a very, very important role to play in the overall politics of Manipur. And once again, I, on behalf of the family of the National People's Party, would like to take this opportunity to welcome him to the family of the National People's Party. I also would like to stress again on the fact which was mentioned by Mr. Lorho, that the National People's Party has been able to today establish itself in spite of multiple challenges all across and continuous hurdles coming our way. We have been able to reach to this level, and I'm sure that we will move further with the trust and participation of the public at large, and of course with leaders from all over the Northeast, seeing the National People's Party as one of the best alternatives, or rather I should say maybe the only alternative that could become the actual platform where the people of the Northeast in general could come together and get the necessary numbers and the voice to be able to carry the issues of the Northeast all the way in the parliament. As we mentioned, when one MP speaks, normally we don't get any kind of attention. Whether we talk of the issues of ILP, whether we talk of issues of 8th schedule, or whether there is some big issue that is affecting the Northeast, when one MP speaks, really it does not matter. We've all experienced it. That whenever we go to even ministers also, when I was MP, there was not much of a response as such, without naming anybody. But then when 4 or 5 MPs go from Bihar, or 4 or 5 MPs go from UP or any big state, there is a different kind of environment and a different kind of a response to them. And that's what democracy, and that's what numbers, and that's what politics is all about. And that was a platform or the objective on which Mr. P.S. Sangma had desired that the National People's Party should provide that platform for the people of the Northeast. And I'm so happy today that we are on that track. Yes, we have our own challenges. Yes, we have got our own difficulties and our own goals which are there. But there are many such issues that unite us. Many issues where we must come together. Many issues we need to speak together. And that is what the National People's Party is for. And I hope that with the joining of Mr. Lorho, we will be able to strengthen the party, not just in the state of Manipur, but in the entire Northeast region. I also would like to take this opportunity to once again officially thank our state president, Mr. Preston Tinsong, for his efforts and to put up all the work that was done by the entire team to put up the bust of late P.S. Sangmaji, which was unveiled today, and also for doing all this upgradation of the work, so that we are able to finally use the office. And it has come out, as I said, in a very, very wonderful way. It's come out very positive, and I'm so happy with the overall look of the party office. Somebody was jokingly telling me that at least some positive thing has come from being PWD building minister. So at least so somebody was jokingly mentioning that to me, but that's just a joke. But it's really, I think his efforts have been commendable. Let's give a round of applause to our president for his efforts of finally, as I said, being able to now use this office. So I will not speak much. As I said, there is a lot, lots to be said, but we will keep that for in the next future discussions. I once again, as I said, would like to thank Mr. Lorho and welcome him to the party and assure him of full cooperation and support as we work together to take the cause of the indigenous people and minorities of the Northeast forward, and to be able to create that platform where people from different states of the Northeast can come and work together to take up the matters and issues that are related to the people of the Northeast.